Hey everyone, welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Today, I'm diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, fixing common Honda engine problems. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this guide will help you tackle the most frequent issues without needing to visit the mechanic. Let's start with overheating, a common scare for many drivers. If your Honda's temperature gauge spikes, or you notice steam billowing out, don't panic. It's likely due to low coolant levels, a faulty thermostat, or radiator problems. Here's a quick fix. First, ensure your coolant is topped up to the recommended level. If that doesn't solve it, consider replacing the thermostat or giving your radiator a thorough check for any blockages or leaks. Next up, engine misfires. These can really throw off your car's performance, making it idle roughly and guzzle more fuel. Often, this is caused by worn-out spark plugs or faulty ignition coils. My tip? Replace those spark plugs if they look worn, and test your ignition coils. Don't forget to clean or replace any clogged fuel injectors, and fix vacuum leaks to get your engine running smoothly again. Oil leaks are another headache you might encounter. Visible oil stains under your car or a burning oil smell are telltale signs. This could be due to worn gaskets, a damaged oil pan, or a loose oil filter. Replacing damaged gaskets and ensuring your oil filter is properly secured usually does the trick. If your oil pan is damaged, replacing it might be necessary. And finally, let's talk about timing belt issues. If you hear a ticking noise or notice your engine misfiring, the timing belt might be worn or misaligned. Replacing a worn timing belt is crucial as it can prevent serious engine damage. Make sure it's perfectly aligned during the installation to avoid further issues. Remember, regular maintenance like oil changes and spark plug checks can prevent these problems from cropping up in the first place. But if things seem out of your depth, don't hesitate to call a professional. There's no shame in getting a little help to keep your Honda in top shape. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more handy car maintenance tips. Drive safe and see you in the next video.